welcome. In this video, I'll be walking you step by step on how to create your Odin wallet successfully. And in the next video, I'll be showing you how to purchase your Odix tokens directly through your Solana, right here in the wallet. So kindly ensure you subscribe to the channel and stay glued. Let's get started. So here's the wallet. In order for you to create your account here in this wallet, you click on here, you toggle that on, then you click on create wallet. Then after clicking on create wallet, you click over here so that this button will show up your just tap on it. All right, it will show up this your key phrase. Then you click on copy. You can also screenshot it if you like. All right, I've copied it. Then you click on continue. Click on continue, and then you set your password right here. Okay, so I'm gonna set my password right now. Remember to set a password that is strong so that only you can have access to it. Okay, so I'm setting my password right away. Wisdom 1995 $. You confirm your password. Wisdom 1995 $. Then after inserting it, you click on continue. Then you select a username for yourself. Chat SC. Then you click on continue. Then you insert a referral code. Just check the link of this video, the description of this video, and copy my referral code and insert it. Okay, so I'll just go over to Telegram and copy my referral code and come over here and insert it right there. Again, copy, look for the referral code and copy it from the description of this video. I'll be posting it right there. Okay, just go over there and copy it. Okay, here is the code. I've copied it, so I'll head over to the app and paste that referral code right here. And then after pasting it, it will validate and then register automatically. So here's the referral code I've copied, and if you copy mine, it's going to show up this, and then it will validate and show up my referral code for you. Just click on continue after that, and then you select any image that you want to select. Okay, select any one. So I'm just selecting any one. You click on continue. Then you click on continue. Click on let go. All right. Then you wait for it to load up your data, and then you are set. Good, congratulations, it has loaded up. You can see here that your wallet has been loaded up. You say welcome to Odin Wallet. You have been successfully referred and earned 100 Odix points. All right, so you click on perfect. And then that is how your wallet has been successfully created automatically. So this is how you create your Odix wallet. Ensure you pay attention to whatsoever I'm gonna be telling you. In the next video, I'm gonna be showing you how to stake more about this. So you have to ensure that you stay glued to this channel by subscribing to the channel, and also ensure you join the WhatsApp group so that you stay updated and whenever the listing of these tokens occur. All right, so that whenever the listing of this token occur, you are gonna be updated on time. All right, so this is how you create your Odix wallet. All right, so I hope you enjoyed this video. If you do, kindly hit the subscribe button and turn on your bell button so that you don't miss out on our next videos whenever I post them. See you on our next video.